Exclusive Alpina B3 marks 50 years of BMW in South Africa, sold out despite hefty price tag. In the realm of exclusive and high-performance automobiles, the Alpina B3 has made a distinctive mark, unfortunately for enthusiasts in the United States. This elegant alternative to the M3 has often been out of reach, the latest iteration. Celebrating 50 years since BMW established a presence in South Africa, is no exception. Priced at a considerable to $960, $341.20, approximately $160 to $1,400. This limited edition has already sold out. Painted in the iconic Alpina green too, this sedan radiates sophistication. Complemented by Alpina's signature 20-inch multi-spoke wheels, the exterior boasts subtle but distinctive touches, such as Alpina lettering on the front spoiler and retro-inspired side decals, evoking the spirit of the 1980s. Inside, the exclusivity continues with Alpina-branded sills, a special plaque on the center console denoting the car's uniqueness, and a black leather interior. Limited to just 5 units. All feature the BMW Group's South Africa 50 years anniversary logo on the headrests, accented with white and green stitching. The leather-wrapped steering wheel proudly displays Alpina's logo. Under the hood lies the beating heart of the B3, a potent twin-turbo 3.0-liter inline-six engine, generating 488 horsepower and an impressive 538 pound-feet of torque. This power is seamlessly transmitted to both axles through an 8-speed automatic transmission, propelling the sedan from 0 to 62 miles per hour in a brisk 3.6 seconds, with a top speed reaching 190 miles per hour. Beyond sheer power, Alpina infuses the B3 with a sport suspension featuring variable damping, upgraded brakes with drilled discs and heat-resistant brake pads, and a quad exhaust system. The driving experience is finely tuned with chassis and steering adjustments, coupled with 4 selectable driving modes: Comfort Plus, Comfort, Sport, and Sport Plus. Despite the hefty price tag, all 5 units of this exclusive BMW Alpina B3 50 years of BMW South Africa edition have been swiftly spoken for. This resounding success highlights the allure and desirability of such unique, high-performance vehicles, even in a market where formidable competitors, like the M3 CS, command lower price points.